In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the model in Perplexity AI, specifically focusing on the Gemini version. So, let's dive right into it and get started with the first step. First and foremost, head over to your web browser and open Google. It's a great starting point for accessing just about anything online. Once you've got Google open, you'll want to type in Perplexity AI in the search bar. Doing this will quickly lead you to the correct website. You might notice several options appearing below the search bar as suggestions, but simply press Enter to see all the search results. Now, on the search results page, you're looking for the official Perplexity website. Click on the link that will direct you there. Once you're on their website, you have the freedom to explore their platform. Now, let's go ahead and make a prompt. For instance, let's use a creative example like combine the logo of Netflix and Spotify. This will provide us with a basis for engaging with the model. Now that you've entered your prompt, it's time to change the models since we are working towards generating an image. You'll need to navigate through the interface until you find the option that allows you to change models. Once you've located this option, click on it to view the available models. Here, you're aiming to find the option labeled Gemini 2.5 Pro. It should be present in the list of available models. Click on Gemini 2.5 Pro to select it, thereby enabling the model to handle your prompt. Once you've selected the Gemini 2.5 Pro, you're almost at the finish line. The last step involves simply submitting your prompt. So, go ahead and click on the Submit button. By doing this, you set the model in motion to generate an image based on your prompt. It's important to note that the process we've just walked through is quite straightforward once you know where to go and what to do. Changing models, particularly in platforms like Perplexity AI, is all about understanding the interface and making sure you're selecting the right tools for your task. In this case, switching to the Gemini 2.5 Pro model was crucial for optimizing output tailored to visual creativity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that next time you approach Perplexity AI, you'll feel confident in switching models and customizing your experience. Don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher on the steps we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.